This secret AI trick slashed the prices of a $1,200 flight to just $95, and nobody's talking about it. Most people think AI is just for writing essays or making funny pictures, and they are wrong. The real power is using it as a secret weapon to get an unfair advantage in your daily life. So I spent the last 50 hours testing dozens of AI hacks to find the 5 that are so good they almost feel like cheating. We are talking about turning this into this, knowing exactly what is wrong with your car before you even pay a mechanic. And the last one is so insane. It could help you understand your own body in a way that you never thought possible. And these are the 5 AI hacks that will actually blow your mind. So finding cheap flights and hotels feels like a dark art, right? What if you had a super intelligent travel agent who could not only find the absolute best deals but also negotiate them for you? That's exactly what AI does. It cuts through the noise of a million travel sites, tracks fluctuating prices, and even helps you leverage hidden tactics like a price matching to get the lowest possible cost. Some people are already taking advantage of this, like Casper, who was able to find his flight ticket for $139 instead of the cheapest option available on site at $1,350. And here's how simple it is. You open AI like Gemini and first you ask it, find me the cheapest flights from your city to your destination between your start date and the end date, considering flexible dates within a week if it saves money. Next, you can go even deeper and tell AI, whatever is your destination during these dates, what hotels offer a price match guarantee, and can you give me a negotiation script to use when emailing them to beat this online price. AI will then arm you with the exact words and strategies you need to talk to the hotel agent, and often netting you a ridiculous discount. Think about it, how much money you could save or more countries to travel within the same budget if you would be able to get every hotel, every flight at a discount. So no more endlessly refreshing flight apps or clicking through dozens of hotel apps. AI does the heavy lifting for you, giving you back your time and saving you money. Saving on travel is just the beginning. What if the same AI could turn your almost empty fridge into gourmet meals, saving you on groceries, saving your time and food waste every single week? I know we all stared into half-empty fridge thinking, wow, there's so many products, but there's nothing to eat. This isn't just annoying, it's costing you money and wasting food. Imagine if you could instantly turn those random ingredients into delicious custom meal plans without buying anything new. So this hack is almost ridiculously easy. Grab your phone, open AI, take a picture of the inside of your fridge and your pantry, then simply upload the photo and type, based on those ingredients, give me 3 unique dinner recipes. You can also customize it and tell, I'm also trying to eat less meat, less carbs, so keep that in mind. So then AI gonna process everything, identifies your ingredients, and generate surprisingly delicious recipes tailored to your preferences. You can even ask for step-by-step instructions or what else can I make with these ingredients for a lunch tomorrow. And don't get me wrong, this isn't just about cooking, it's about optimizing your entire food budget and saving you time. You're reducing waste, discovering new meals, and saving money on impulse grocery runs that we all hate. Saving on food is great, but what if AI could save you from getting absolutely fleeced on your biggest investments, like your car, by diagnosing problems before you even step foot in a repair shop? The check light. That's a universal symbol of dread and potential financial ruin. I know everyone fears taking their car into the service, hearing some complicated words that they never heard before, and then getting hit with a bill for something you have no clue about. And the worst thing is, when you pay the bill, leave the repair shop, and you still have the problem. So what if you could walk into the mechanic shop already knowing exactly what's wrong with your vehicle or even how much it could cost to fix it? So the next time your car makes a weird noise or flashes a warning light, don't panic. Open Gemini, describe the sound in detail, or even better, record a short video or audio clip of the noise, upload upload it, then tell the Gemini the year, the make, and the model of your car and what symptoms you are experiencing. Ask it, what are the most likely causes of this problem and what's the average repair cost for each? The AI will then give you a detailed breakdown, complete with a probable diagnosis and price range. And let me tell you, this hack is personal to me. I tried it before when my car started making noises when driving over 80 kilometers an hour, and the mechanic told me there's an issue with the tires and I need a new tire. That ended up costing me around $2,000. So guess what I did? I described the exact issue to AI, and what it told me, it specified that it's not the tires and most likely CV joints need to be replaced. And guess what? It was actually CV joints, and I saved over $2,000. So let me tell you, this hack shifts the power dynamics entirely. It's like having a master mechanic in your pocket, saving you stress and potentially hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. And this problem-solving power doesn't stop with your car. What about all those little annoying fixes around your house? We all have those small fixes that need to be done on your house, whether it's leaky faucet, that squeaky door, or that mysterious loose wire that we either ignore, dread fixing, or pay an arm and a leg for a professional to handle it. I know the internet is full of videos, but finding the exact solution for your specific problem can be time consuming. And this is where AI truly shines as your personal on-demand handyman. You got a leaky pipe under the sink? Just take a photo, upload it to AI and ask, my, let's say, kitchen faucet is leaking from specific area. Based on this photo, what is the most likely problem and how do I fix it step by step? The AI gonna analyze the video or the image, identify the components and give you clear, actionable instructions, often suggesting specific tools that you will need. And let me give you one personal example. So it's summer, it's hot, you're sweating, and I'm not sure if you know that AC units needs to be cleaned every season. AC unit cleaning prices ranges from $120 to $300 per unit, which might not be bad, but if you have 5-10 AC units in your house, then it might become expensive. And do you know how much entire cleaning kit costs? $40. So basically you can order that, you can tell AI your AC unit brand and take the picture and ask, how do I deep clean this AC unit with the cleaning kit that I have? And there you have your step-by-step instructions how to do it, saving you tons of money. But this isn't just about saving money on repair services, it's the fact that you are no longer at the mercy of a repair schedules or expensive call-out fees. You can tackle the household problems on your own, learning new skills and feeling the satisfaction of getting a job done. But while fixing the cars and the houses is crucial, there is one area where AI assistance is even more invaluable: understanding your own health. Let's say you get your blood test results back, maybe an X-ray report, and it's a sheet full of medical language, numbers, and other things that you have never seen. You might have a quick chat with your doctor, but often you leave feeling more confused than enlightened with a dozen questions you forgot to ask. This lack of clear understanding about your own body is frustrating or even scary. And here's where AI becomes your ultimate personal health detective. So you just take a photo of your blood test results or copy paste it in the text, upload it to Gemini and ask, explain these results in simple terms. What do the high and low numbers mean? What are some common reasons for these findings? How can I fix it? What question should I ask my doctor during my next appointment? The AI will break down the complex medical language, giving you a clear, digestible overview and equipping you with informed questions to maximize your consultation time with a doctor or just getting a better understanding of what were your results. This hack is about taking control of your most important asset, your health. But you know what's even better? The fact that I have one extra bonus hack for you. So we all been there. You find the amazing item that you want to buy, but that price tag just stings. You wish there was a secret button for a discount, but who has the time to check every discount codes on the internet for a valid code? Well, AI does. And this is actually how I got hooked on these AI hacks in the first place. I found a software I desperately wanted. It was $90 a month, nothing major, right? But before signing up, I simply opened Gemini and typed, find me the most recent discount codes for, I put my software name, subscription. I hit enter, and within seconds it spit out a huge list that I can try. The first code I tried, a verified working 90% discount was applied. So my $19 a month software instantly dropped to less than $2. I'm not gonna lie, I felt like I found a glitch in the matrix. Think about it, how many subscriptions, how many online purchases, how many tools you eyed but hesitated on because of the price. It's the ultimate example of AI giving you that unfair advantage in your daily life. And there you have it, insane AI hacks that can save you money, time, and help you in your everyday life. If you know any more tricks that might be useful for everyone, leave them in the comments. And if you want to see even more mind-blowing AI tricks, hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you on the next one.